Today, we're transforming your Canon Eos 250d into a high-quality webcam for your Windows computer, enhancing your online presence significantly. First, you'll need the Canon Eos Webcam Utility software. Open your web browser and navigate to Canon's official website to locate and download this utility specifically for your Canon Eos 250d and Windows operating system. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation of the software. Follow the on-screen prompts, agreeing to the terms and ensuring the installation completes successfully. Next, prepare your camera. Power on your Canon Eos 250d and ensure it's set to movie mode. Connect one end of a USB cable to the camera's USB port. Plug the other end of the USB cable into an available USB port on your Windows computer. Now, open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application, such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or OBS Studio. Navigate to the video settings or preferences within that application. In the camera selection or webcam input dropdown, you should now see Canon Webcam Utility as an available option. Selected to link your camera. And just like that, your Canon Eos 250d is now functioning as a high-quality webcam, ready to deliver professional-grade video for all your virtual meetings and live streaming sessions.